Good afternoon, Nola here. I put another kit together. This is what's going in the kit, but I just left it on here to show you what it looks like piled up. But I'll show you what it all is separately. I'm only giving out or making two of these. So it starts with this piece of fabric. And I really like this. Of course, I like all of them or I wouldn't have picked them up, right? So then I have another piece of upholstery. Well, this isn't, I think it's curtaining fabric that I have. And I thought it went very well with this. So I added that. And then a piece of this, which is just plain, but it's the same color tone as this one. So there's that. And these obviously are very trendy again. And then there's a lovely piece of this. I love this cotton. So pretty. I don't know. Calm, refuge, scenic, rare are the words that are written across this one. And then I have a lovely piece of green that goes with this. Very pretty. It's got a nice shine to it. And then I have another piece of cotton. This is quilting cotton. Then I have this one, and this goes amazing with this. It's identical. And then there's another piece. This is slightly different. Another color that's in the flower. And then here's another one that just picks up a third color. So that's pretty cool. I like those together. And then I have found a piece of a sari actually that goes with the green. And then I picked another piece of sari up to go with that. I only have a couple of pieces of that one. And I guess that's it for those. Then I found this one, and this just goes again very well with that flower. And then it's got little divots on it, bits of sparkle that you can use. A piece of brown satin that is perfect for the branches and the leaves. A little piece of this just because it's fun and it goes well with the oranges. There's a little piece of this because once again it goes with everything. There's another piece of fabric. There's a teeny bit of white in here and here and a bit of gold, and that's also in this piece of fabric. Then I have this yellow. Love this stuff. And then I have this piece. Oh, it's off-white and it's just so pretty. So I have that one to go with it as well. And then a big piece of tulle that goes with those colors as well. And then I'm putting in a little piece of yellow pleated edging. And I found this off-white lace that I thought I would put in as well. And I was thinking maybe of putting some of this bling in there. And that's about it. So this will be kit number, I don't know what number this one will be. 7, I guess. So, and there will only be 2. So I will have them up on Nanny's Attic by Nola later today. So thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.